Ready for takeoff? Pursuing a pilot's license opens up a world of possibilities, from personal growth to soaring towards a career in the skies. While some lucky individuals have aviation-savvy mentors to guide them, many find themselves venturing into uncharted territory. Fear not, fellow aviators in training. Welcome to the Infinite Altitudes. Subscribe and let's dive in. Learning about aviation can be an exhilarating journey, and we're here to be your co-pilot. Whether you dream of mastering the controls for the thrill of flying or envision yourself captaining commercial airliners, we've got your back. From unraveling the mysteries of aerodynamics to mastering the art of navigation, we'll navigate you through the clouds of knowledge. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a flight path filled with guidance, advice, and expert mentorship. What can you do with a pilot's license? Buckle up and discover the thrilling opportunities that await you in the wide open skies. Each rating you earn brings you closer to unlocking a world of possibilities. Private Pilot Certificate. As you embark on your aviation journey, the Private Pilot Certificate is your key to adventure. Fly with passengers, share expenses, and even lend your skills to non-profit organizations through volunteer flights. Towing gliders with the proper endorsement or showcasing aircraft for sale can even earn you some income. Consider it your license to learn as you continue to sharpen your skills. Instrument rating. Elevate your piloting prowess with an instrument rating. Now you can navigate through the clouds and conquer limited visibility conditions like fog and rain. Gain in-depth knowledge of weather reports, forecasts, and the intricacies of planning cross-country flights. Get ready to soar through the skies with confidence, relying on your instruments to guide the way. Commercial Pilot Certificate. It's time to turn your passion into a profession. With a Commercial Pilot Certificate, the sky is the limit. Get paid to fly as you embark on exciting missions like aerial surveys, pipeline patrol, news traffic reporting, vanner towing, and agricultural flying. Take the lead as a flight instructor or set your sights on an airplane transport rating. Your piloting skills will open doors to endless opportunities. Discover which type of pilot license aligns with your ambitions and explore the incredible world that awaits you. Unleash your passion for flight and let your pilot's license take you to new horizons. Reasons to work hard and goof off. Here's a sobering fact. A staggering 8 out of 10 individuals who embark on flight training don't end up earning their coveted pilot license. But fear not, because you're not most people. You're sharp, motivated, and brimming with the potential to soar through the skies like a true aviator. So why do so many flight school hopefuls throw in the towel prematurely? Let's uncover the reasons behind these dropouts and ensure you don't fall into the same trap. The top 3 culprits behind flight school dropouts are about to meet their match. The frustration factor. Nothing kills the thrill of flight training faster than an unprepared or disorganized instructor. Wasting precious time with unproductive lessons and lacking a solid grounding in aviation knowledge can leave you feeling helpless and doubting your abilities. But fear not, we'll equip you with the tools and guidance you need to soar confidently towards your goals. Budget busters. Running out of funds mid-flight? Don't let financial constraints clip your wings. Explore options like scholarships, financing, or other resources that can keep you in the cockpit without breaking the bank. Money should never be a barrier to reaching your aviation dreams. Joy takes flight. Flying loses its luster when overwhelming pressure or comparisons to others' progress sap the joy from your journey. Remember, learning to fly is about embracing the adventure, not just reaching the destination. Let's reignite that spark of passion and keep the fun alive throughout your training. Becoming a pilot is not only an impressive achievement, but a deeply rewarding one. And guess what? You've got options aplenty to make your dreams take flight. Even if it feels like a distant dream, rest assured that with unwavering dedication and consistent effort, most individuals who meet the basic medical requirements can earn their private pilot certificate and beyond. Save money. Master the ground. Unleash your inner aviation enthusiast and learn as much as you can on the ground. Dive into free resources like Pilot's Handbook of Aeronautical Knowledge and the Airplane Flying Manual for a treasure trove of information. Trustworthy ground schools are also valuable investments to boost your knowledge. Just be cautious of internet sources and stick to trusted channels. Radio ready. Save precious minutes on the clock by grabbing a handheld radio to check the airport's weather recording before starting your engine. Stay prepared to have a backup radio for any in-flight radio system hiccups. Test triumph. Conquer your knowledge, test early and maintain your flying momentum. Don't let a break derail your progress. Stay focused and success will be within reach. Solo success. Celebrate your solo flight achievement, but don't stop there. Keep pushing forward, and soon enough, your private pilot certificate will be yours to claim. Steps to become an aircraft pilot. Dream of taking the skies? Becoming an aircraft pilot is an awe-inspiring journey that offers thrilling opportunities and unmatched freedom. Whether you're yearning to soar in airplanes, helicopters, gliders, or airships, the path to becoming a pilot is both challenging and rewarding. Buckle up and let's embark on an epic flight plan to make your dreams take flight. Step 1. The Flight School Expedition. Every aviation odyssey begins at flight school. Your first mission is to choose the type of aircraft that fueled your passion, be it airplanes, helicopters, balloons, airships, or gliders. The FAA offers various pilot licenses, including private, recreational, and sports pilot, each opening up new horizons. Prepare for takeoff at an FAA-certified flight school or under the wings of an FAA-certified instructor. Discover the secrets of the skies through exciting programs offered at flight training schools, community colleges, and technical institutions. Explore topics like aerodynamics, flight controls, FAA regulations, navigation, and more. Log every flight hour and training session to reach the minimum hours required for flying like a pro. Step 2. Unleash your wings with a private pilot's license. Earning your private pilot's license unlocks a world of possibilities. Command an aircraft, carry passengers and baggage without compensation, and revel in the freedom of the open skies. Aim high and get ready for your private pilot's license, the key to your aviation kingdom. Climb to new heights by passing a written exam and clocking at least 40 hours of flight training. Half of that must be with your trusty flight instructor, while at least 10 hours should be in solo flight. Age is no obstacle, as you need to be at least 17 years old, 16 for glider pilots and free flight balloon operators. Equipped with an FAA medical certificate and soaring skills, you'll take on a practical flight test to earn those treasured wings. Step 3. Reach new altitudes with a commercial pilot's license. Ready to reap the rewards of your piloting prowess? Prepare to earn your commercial pilot's license, the passport to getting paid for your aerial expertise. Fly the skies as a professional and seize thrilling opportunities in the aviation realm. Navigate through exams, including medical and physical assessments, to ensure you meet top-notch aviation standards. Vision as clear as the horizon is a must, and your comprehensive written exam and flight test will showcase your skills. Logging flight hours and staying grounded in FAA regulations will be your constant companions. Embrace the world of airplanes, balloons, helicopters, and more as you claim your commercial pilot's license. Step 4. Soar towards new horizons. Now that you possess the aviation keys, it's time to unlock doors to exciting career possibilities. Seek employment as a pilot, where thrilling adventures await. Test new aircraft, develop flight simulations, and take part in national security missions. Your journey has no limits. As you climb higher in the sky of your career, consider pursuing a degree program to soar to even greater heights. A bachelor's degree in any subject is favored by airline companies, and specialized aviation programs at universities provide comprehensive training for aspiring pilots. Step 5. Elevate your career to captain status. Strive for greatness as you climb the ranks in the pilot universe. Just like officers in the Army, airline pilots follow a ranking system. Experience becomes your co-pilot in this journey, propelling you towards higher positions. Earn your wings as a first officer after gaining up to 5 years of experience, and captaincy awaits you in another 5 to 10 years. Reach for the skies, becoming chief pilot or director of an airline's aviation department, and rewrite your aviation legacy. Your dreams are but a step in the upward direction. Get started and soar. Thank you for watching, and follow for more.